Hello, my name is Noah Galembo, and today I'm presenting my final ICM 590 presentation on my capstone project for the spring 2018 semester with Professor Grimm. My project is called ramtv.com, creating an interactive web and social experience for a high school media program. A little bit of backstory on our program. We are a high school film and television production program. We have been in existence for over 20 years. Award-winning program. Where our students participate in hands-on projects in film and television production. Currently, our program does not have a great web presence, as you can see here. Presented here are some of our web areas that are present on our district website. Pretty generic-looking website, very plain, difficult for us to access or edit, really difficult to edit once you're in the editing application, and doesn't really offer much in the way of personalization. As a media production program, I would like to create a brand new website that will serve as a center point for a program, be attractive, and offer a better experience for our stakeholders that are taking a look at it. So our project goals. Project goal is to create an interactive website experience that will serve to promote and highlight the Randolph High School film and television production program, to serve as a central location for course information, to highlight student films and productions that are created here, to provide a blog for updates on the program, to include a studio tour, an equipment rental page, and DVD sales. So all these are major goals for this website that we would like to include and make it much easier for our students, for our parents, or for other community members to interact with our program and to get to know more about our program. Some of the major milestones in this project are as follows. Number one is completing project plan, which I'm doing this semester. Survey phase, where I'll be surveying community members to find out what they would like to have included in the website and what they would like their experience to be. Gathering media content for the site, like photographs and student productions and other types of media material that can be included to populate the site. Creating a paper draft, so I could create a paper outline of what I would like my site and its different subpages to look like, some basic design. Creating a low fidelity wireframe and a high fidelity wireframe using Axure or some other type of similar wireframing software. This will provide me nice high quality impression of what my site will ultimately look like in terms of layout, in terms of position, in terms of copy, and in terms of site hierarchy and organization. Creating and launching a preview site for testing, where I'll launch a preview site and send it out to various stakeholders to see what their experience is like on the current site. Launching my final site, and then handing in my capstone. Some of the requirements for the project are a website built using a CMS or a content management system. My plan for the content management system is to utilize WordPress. I found it to be a very easy site to use. Lots of great templates they have built in, lots of great support, the ability to expand, a lot of premium features you could add if you pay. So overall, I think that WordPress will be the way for me to go, since I do not have a lot of experience with HTML or CSS coding. So I'll be building the website using more of a drag and drop type CMS like WordPress. I'd like to have a studio gallery included in this site as well. A video gallery to highlight student work, short films, commercials, PSAs, music videos, television broadcasts where student work can be shared out to the greater community. And then finally, some social media pages to link back to our site. Right now we do have a very small social media presence. I'd like to build up our social media presence on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and incorporate the social media elements back to the site, which is another reason why WordPress is really great. It has great support for social media programs. I have developed a work breakdown structure for my project, as you can see here. I've listed out all my major milestones that I'll be including in the project, from completing the project plan all the way to the presentation. I've broken down each step into its sub-steps. Spent a lot of time in this in order to make sure that I had a complete, fleshed out plan for how I would be executing my project. Overall, based on my feedback, I think I have a pretty good work breakdown structure that should help me to make sure that my project is done efficiently as well as effectively. Some risks that this project does face: data corruption on a hard drive or on a SD card or other form of media. To mitigate this, I'll be creating multiple redundant backups of my data to ensure Even if one source goes down, I have another one to back it up. This will be both in physical drives as well as in cloud-based storage solutions. Lack of district support and lack of funding. These types of issues can be mitigated through continued conversations with the district. If that doesn't help us, we do have a parent booster organization that helps support our media program, and we do a lot of fundraising on our own, and these types of resources can be used to mitigate any issues that occur because of lack of support from the greater school district and community. Scheduling conflicts in our studio and editing facilities. Since I am the teacher of this and person who's in charge of our own facility, this is an easily resolved issue because I can move around our schedule and make sure that if I need to have access to a certain area of our facility, I can do that without interruption because I am the one who's actually in charge. What is going to be in scope for this project? The content management system, which as I explained before will probably be WordPress. Creating a video gallery, probably do a basic video gallery of either using YouTube or a built-in media player on WordPress of student work, organized by type. A studio gallery, which will have a carousel-based images of our studio. A program blog page where we'll have daily or weekly updates on what's going on in our different courses in our program, and then a program logo. What is out of scope? The advanced studio gallery interactivity. So in the studio gallery, I'll probably not be able to include the ability to interact with the gallery, like clicking on objects in it and having pop-ups appear. That's probably going to be out of scope, as well as linking our sales page for DVDs with the credit card service. We do sell DVDs of district events and concerts. Right now we do it through a cash and check system, which at the moment will be continuing since we do not have a relationship with a credit card service, and I'm not really quite sure how to go about that yet. So that's something that I'm going to have maybe more for the future. My anticipated schedule is as follows. The complete project plan will be May 8th. The completed survey phase done by September 14th next school year. Gathering media content for the site by September 25th. The low fidelity wireframe by October 4th. The high fidelity wireframe by October 5th. The complete preview version of site by November 10th, and then finally launching my final site and graduating around December 10th. Those are my targeted completion dates for my milestones. In summary, what I'm hoping to achieve by the end of this capstone project is to develop a fully functioning WordPress page for ramtv.com. RamTV is what we call our production organization. Our school mascot is the Randolph Rams, and I think it's a catchy website name that our community and stakeholders will know what it means, and we'll be able to associate the meaning with the site name. To create at least 3 subpages, which will be hopefully courses, student and studio videos, equipment, DVD sales, with more to come following the completion of the capstone. Gathering stakeholder support is going to be really important for this project. I need to involve community members, parents, students, administrators, alumni, and various other members of the community to help support this project. And then last but not least, this capstone project will not be the end of this page. Since it is a working page for our program and for my job, I plan on supporting it and continuing to build on it following the completion of the capstone experience. And that is my project. Thank you so much for listening. It's been a wonderful semester, and I am really looking forward to completing this project in the fall and graduating with my master's. Thank you so much.